how to remove the two screens mode on OBS Studio. Your OBS interface is like this, and you wanna move to like this? So, pay attention to this quick tutorial. I'm here on OBS Studio with those two screens mode, Preview and Program. Perhaps you searched it in the menus, but you didn't find it very easily. So, take a look at this easy way. To move back your OBS Studio interface to the one screen mode, you just have to go down here and click on the button Studio Mode. Now, the only one screen mode with that endless looping is back. Touch the subscribe button for more OBS Studio tutorials.